Today I am reviewing the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been testing the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless for several weeks now, and it is honestly difficult to go back to any other headset after experiencing this level of integration and audio quality. When you first unbox it, you can tell that SteelSeries went for a more sophisticated, premium aesthetic compared to the older Arctis designs. The metallic accents and the sleek, low-profile frame make it look like a high-end pair of audiophile headphones rather than a flashy gaming peripheral. This is a headset you could easily wear on a train or in an office without drawing unwanted attention, especially since the microphone fully retracts into the ear cup until it is perfectly flush. The audio experience is where the Nova Pro wireless truly justifies its flagship status. The premium high-fidelity drivers deliver a soundstage that is remarkably wide and detailed. In my testing, I found that the bass was tight and impactful without ever muddying the mid-range, and the highs were crisp enough to hear the most subtle environmental cues in competitive shooters. What takes this to the next level is the Sonar Software. Using the pro-grade Parametric Equalizer is a revelation. Unlike standard presets, this gives you total control over specific frequencies, allowing you to highlight footsteps or reloads with surgical precision. When you combine this with a 360-degree spatial audio, the sense of immersion is incredible. It feels like you are sitting in the middle of the game world, and the compatibility with Tempest 3D audio on PlayStation 5 makes it a top-tier choice for console gamers as well. One of the standout features for me has been the Active Noise Cancellation. Most gaming headsets struggle with this, but the 4-mic hybrid system here does an excellent job of filtering out common household distractions like air conditioners, PC fan hum, or background chatter. If you do need to hear your surroundings, the transparency mode is easily adjustable, which is perfect if you're waiting for a delivery or need to keep an ear out for family members. The most practical innovation, however, has to be the Infinity Power System. Dealing with charging cables is the worst part of wireless headsets, but SteelSeries has solved this by including 2 batteries. One stays in the headset while the other charges inside the OLED Base Station. When you get a low battery warning, you just pop the magnetic ear cup plate off, swap the batteries in a few seconds, and you are back at full power. It effectively eliminates battery anxiety and ensures you are never tethered to a cable during a long session. The OLED Base Station itself is a brilliant piece of hardware. Having physical knobs and a display to control your volume, chat mix, and equalizer settings without having to alt-tab out of your game is a massive quality-of-life improvement. Because it features dual USB ports, I was able to keep my PC and my console connected simultaneously and switch between them with a simple menu selection. This multi-system connectivity is seamless and works perfectly. I also have to praise the dual audio stream capability. Being able to connect to my PC via lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless while staying connected to my phone via Bluetooth at the same time is something I now use every day. I can take a phone call or listen to a podcast while I am grinding in an RPG without losing any game audio. Finally, the ClearCast Gen 2 microphone is a significant step up. The AI-powered noise-canceling algorithms in the software do a fantastic job of stripping out keyboard clicks and background noise, leaving my voice clear and natural for my teammates. In conclusion, the Arctis Nova Pro wireless is a masterclass in gaming audio engineering. It combines audiophile-grade sound, infinite battery life, and unparalleled connectivity into a comfortable, stylish package. While it is a significant investment, the sheer number of features and the incredible level of polish make it the best all-around headset currently available for serious multi-platform gamers. It is a rare product that genuinely makes your gaming experience better every single time you put it on.